at the grassroots level.
Haka Jingsdang Jong ke Aiom Slab, Menteri Ketenat Disaster Management ubak Kermen Shelau loong bakatenat ke Trei Pynthikna ya ke Jingshngain Jong ke Paidbah da ke Babuk Jingmut ya ke Jing Shlei bak ke Jing Tua Kendau ke bak ke Jela Meghalaya ke Jumat. Ka Jing Hap Slab ke Bajur Shimit ha ke Jela Meghalaya Dangshan ke Lawanra ya ke Jing Shlei Haribhoi District bak ke Jing Tua Kendau hakikat tu kat ni ki Jaka ke Bapelong ya ke Sorkar Jela ban Pentrai Kam mi ki Kenhun ai Jeng Erap Jongka. Ki bo badai pet badai khmi ki lakmi banyak bat pet ngor har rengkat ka Jing Jurep ban sandur ya kilat kilenti ha ke bedai bat kani ke bentah.
We have seen this from time to time regarding this landslide and flood occurring in our state. When it comes to the recent landslide, I don't have the report really as of now. I have not received any kind of reports, but no doubt the officers on the ground, they are taking care like how we have been doing from time to time, so that there will be no casualties, and then to avoid all those to avoid all the problems of people on the ground. So that has been practiced from time to time, but as of now, what exactly where, I don't have the details with me.
Kari India